Today we're talking about something we hear almost every week. How do I know when I have enough to retire?
It's a powerful question because most people wait far too long. They keep saving, keep working, and end up giving away some of the best years of their lives. Not because they had to, but because they didn't realize they were already financially free.
So in this masterclass, we'll unpack the 3 clear signs that you might already have enough money to retire now. And if you're not quite there yet, we'll show you exactly what to work on to get there faster. Hi there, and welcome back to the Retirement Masterclass. My name is Hardy Swart. I'm a certified financial planner at Family Wealth Custodians. Over the past decade and a half, myself and the team have helped thousands of retirees retire with clarity and confidence.
And I'm Hugo Kloppers, also a financial planner at Family Wealth Custodians.
Today, we're going to talk about various aspects and to help you to figure out if you can potentially retire earlier. But before we start, just a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. That doesn't constitute personal financial advice. So before you make any big financial decisions, please consult with a relevant professional or certified financial planner to ensure that you make the right choices.
And if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can never miss an episode. Let's start with the big one. Do you actually have enough? Now, enough doesn't mean being rich. It simply means being able to sustain the lifestyle you want without running out of money.
At Family Wealth, we use what we call the dynamic retirement income plan, where we divide retirement into 3 distinct phases. Phase 1 we call the go-go years. This is the first decade of retirement when you're active, healthy, and spending more on travel, hobbies, and lifestyle. Phase 2, the slow-go years, when travel slows down and your focus shifts more toward comfort, convenience, and family time. And then the final phase, phase 3, the no-go years, when health and mobility become more limited and medical expenses increases meaningfully. When we calculate how much a client will need, we build a plan from the bottom up, starting with the essentials. First, we project medical expenses, often at an inflation rate of around 12% per year, because healthcare costs tend to rise much faster than general inflation. Then we include basic living expenses at a more moderate inflation assumption, let's say about 6%. Finally, we add discretionary spending, travel, entertainment, and lifestyle, which typically decreases as clients move from their go-go years into the later phases of retirement.
Let me give you an example. Meet John and Sarah. At the age 60, they plan to retire with the following monthly expenses. Medical cost, 10,000 Rand per month from age 60 through to 95. Basic living expenses, 30,000 Rand per month for the same period. Discretionary spending of 20,000 Rand per month. During the first 10 years, the go-go years, tapering down to 10,000 Rand per month for the next 15 years, the slow-go years. We use advanced software to model these numbers, assuming a long-term growth rate of, for example, 9% per year, and then calculate the present capital value required to fund this lifestyle sustainably. Once we know that, we subtract the guaranteed income. This could be a company pension, rental income, or even income from small businesses or a side hustle. And one thing that's absolutely critical, we also factor in the impact of taxes on their retirement income, because taxes don't disappear when you stop working. We've done a dedicated video on how to reduce taxes in retirement, and you can find the link in the description below.
If you prefer a simpler way to estimate it yourself, you can use what we call the required portfolio income formula. Here's how it works. First, you estimate your total retirement spending. Most South African retirees spend approximately 65 to 70% of their current monthly expenses. Then you subtract your guaranteed income. This might be your pension, your rental income, or side business income. The difference is the income that your investment portfolio needs to generate every single year.
So let's say you'll need about 75,000 Rand per month before tax in retirement, and your combined pension and rental income gives you only 40,000 Rand per month. That means your investments must produce 35,000 Rand a month, or roughly 420,000 a year, using a sustainable withdrawal rate of around about 4% per year. That means you need about 10.5 million in investable assets to retire comfortably today.
And if you're not quite there yet, that's perfectly okay. The key is knowing the number and building a clear plan to reach it, because money alone doesn't guarantee a successful retirement, but it's the foundation that everything else rests on. So, Igu, now the thing is, once someone knows their number, the next big question is, how do you actually manage it? We've met so many people who already have more than enough money to retire, but who still feel anxious about it. And the reason is simple. They don't have a clear plan.
That's the thing. Think of it like building your dream home. You can have all the materials, the bricks, the cement, the windows, the roof, everything sitting right there on the plot. But without an architect's plan, all you have is a pile of expensive parts. A proper retirement plan works the same way. It's the blueprint that brings everything together, showing how each financial piece fits into the bigger structure of your life. It gives you a foundation, your current financial position and what you are building from, a design, a clear vision of your retirement lifestyle and goals, construction steps, your strategy for income, tax and investments in the right order and sequence, quality control, ongoing monitoring for inflation, markets and life changes, and contingency plans for adjustments when costs rise, the economy shifts or your needs change.
Without that kind of blueprint, even a 20 million rand portfolio can feel uncertain, just like trying to build a house without plans. That's why at Family Wealth, we've created what we call the Family Wealth Retirement Master Plan, your personal financial architecture. It's a living, breathing roadmap that's reviewed, adapted, and stress tested every single year. So when life changes, your plan adjusts with it.
Because confidence doesn't come from the size of your portfolio. It comes from knowing that every part of your financial house has been designed to work together and that it's built on a solid foundation.
So once your financial house is built and the structure is solid, there's one final question left. What's the life you want to live inside it?
Because a strong financial foundation means nothing if you don't know what you're building it for. That brings us to the final sign.
Here's one that surprises a lot of people. Having enough money is only half the equation. The other half is having enough meaning.
We've seen people retire with 20 million in the bank and feel lost within 6 months. Work gives structure, identity, and purpose. And without something to replace that, retirement can quickly feel empty.
Research even shows that those who retire without purpose tend to experience a decline in health and longevity. A recent study in psychosomatic medicine found that having a stronger sense of purpose in life was associated with lower all-cause mortality among older adults.
So if you still love your work, keep doing it. But if you're financially ready, then use the time to do something that adds energy to your life. Whether it's mentoring others, starting a passion project, or spending more time with family.
So here's the truth. You don't need a massive number to retire. You need clarity. If you can confidently say yes to these 3 questions, do I have enough to sustain my lifestyle? Do I have a clear plan for my income, tax, and investments? And do I know what will give me purpose once I stop working? Then you may already be ready to retire. Not someday, but now.
And if you're not there yet, start working towards it today. Give yourself a 5-year runway to fine-tune your finances, test your lifestyle, and build the confidence to live your next chapter on your terms.
If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and join our Family Wealth Retirement community. You'll find the link in the description below.
Every week we share practical videos, planning tools, and real South African retirement stories to help you make smarter decisions.
And remember, retirement isn't just about money. It's about freedom, purpose, and living the life that feels truly yours. I'm Hardy Swart.
And I'm Igu Kloppers.
This is the Retirement Masterclass. We'll see you in the next video.